What are the conditions to satisfy the worst case?
f of x is continuous at closed interval b comma b, and f of x is differentiable at open interval b comma b. F of p equal to f of p, then there exists f dash of c belongs to closed interval a comma b.
What are the conditions for Lagrange's mean value theorem?
F of x is continuous at closed interval a comma b. F of x is differentiable at open interval a comma b. And f of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a.
What are the differences between these two theorems?
Step. F of c values are different.
Zero.
F of in the Lagrange value f of c is equal to f of b minus a by b minus a. In Rolle's theorem, f of c Lagrange c is equal to a closed interval a comma b.
What is the definition of partial differentiation?
Partial differentiation is nothing but differentiation of function with respect to x or y. That represents the
What is the definition for ordinary differentiation?
ordinary differentiation is differentiation with respect to function with x or
ఏం లేదు అదిగో తను పంపిస్తా ఫ్యామిలీని చాలా స్ట్రిక్ట్
While you are differentiating in partial differentiation, other variables should be constant.
చెప్పండి పక్క క్లాస్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది చూసాను
చెప్పండి.
partial differentiation. If you are differentiating with respect to x, there is an x term. Differentiate. Otherwise, it becomes zero.
What are the types of matter మాట్లాడారు పసంగు మాట్లాడే వాళ్ళు కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి. ఓకే ఏం ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి మాట్లాడడం ఎగ్జామ్ ఫామ్
Normal form, echelon form.